How to improve vitality and happiness. Number one, increase sleep quality. I'm going to start with one of my philosophies of life, which is I believe everything is connected in this life. Your sleep quality is more important than you think and affects your overall health, digestion, energy levels, mood, and productivity. Your level of vitality depends on your sleep quality. If you have not been sleeping well for a while, it can quickly affect your vitality, energy levels, and capacity of thinking well. And if you sleep better and have a consistent schedule, your vitality will increase over time, which will result in better health and happiness. Number two, eat better and eat right. Not only eating better and more nutritious food is important, but it is also crucial to eat right. Eat foods that are not only nutritious and healthy, but also the right food for your body type for accelerated healing and rejuvenating results. Nutrition and how good you eat are also connected to how happy you may feel, as it also has a major effect on mood and mental health. Number three, exercise, yoga, stretching. People report a higher level of vitality, enthusiasm, pleasure, and self esteem, and a lower level of anxiety, depression, and fatigue after they have exercised or walked outside. Higher levels of physical activity, proper exercise such as weightlifting and yoga, were all related to higher vitality and increased well being. Number four, fresh air and nature. Let me start by saying that I've been doing experiments for the last 20 years and I wanted to experiment with the power of being in nature and breathing fresh, clean air versus staying indoors for longer periods of time. The difference and the result were astonishing. All I can tell you is fresh air is more important than you think. I encourage people to take time to go out and get some fresh air, possibly in nature and green space as much as possible. The uplifting effects of being outside and surrounded by nature have a significant correlation with your vitality and happiness, as well as your mental health and overall mood. Number 5, vitamin D, sun. If you have spent a tremendous amount of time in winter experiencing cold, cloudy days and remaining indoors for extended periods of time, you will notice that your energy levels as well as mood will be at lower levels. This unfortunate and unwanted state of being can affect our overall happiness and wellness, from digestion to mental health, productivity, and can cause all sorts of unpleasant conditions. Therefore, we must take time and find opportunities to get sun as much as we can to balance and not let our vitality decrease over time. Number 6. Have a goal and purpose that motivates. Doing something we love energizes us and further motivates us to do it more, better, and more often. Having a purpose in life, being creative, and having goals can positively impact our lives. Finding and knowing our purpose in life adds psychological and emotional improvements and gratification to our life. Increased life force and willingness to become our better version can help us to become happier, more vital, and more joyful in life. Number 7. Know and listen to your body. No one can know your body better than you, not your friend or family or your doctor. You're responsible for your own knowledge, for your own body. You need to know what is good and bad for your body and mind. Number 8. Etiquette, fiber, and water. For positive and efficient progress in your health and fitness level and keep yourself healthy, you must aim to consume enough fiber and drink enough water. If not doing so, you're looking for some discomfort. If you don't eat enough fiber and or drink enough water regularly, you are looking for trouble that affects your digestion, energy, and you may experience future complications. Therefore, figuring out how much fiber and water you need is a good idea. Number 9. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables have a tremendous effect on our vitality and health. One of my experiments was not eating fruits and vegetables, in other words, not adding them to my diet, compared to mostly eating fruits and vegetables, plus a regular diet consisting of other protein, carbs, and fat sources. Even only 2 weeks of the experiment showed that the difference can be big, especially for some people since I believe that everyone is different. Therefore, experiment was done on people with different body types, including me. Number 10. Have fun, reduce stress, have faith, and be positive. It is not only one or two things that make or cause things. It is usually the combination of factors that determine someone's health and happiness level. That's what I believe. Having said that, it is not only physical, it is also the power of mind that is in effect for your happiness and vitality. So you need to combine the right nutrition, better sleep, and exercise with a good positive lifestyle. Do what you love, reduce and avoid stress, have faith, good relationships, and have a positive mental attitude and mindset. All these factors determine the state of vitality and happiness. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.